Welcome to Fundamental Analysis and Earnings. Today, I'm going to be talking about why it's important for you as a trader to understand earnings season, and fundamentals, especially if you're an options trader. My name's Danielle Shay, and I'm the VP of Options here at Simpler Trading. So, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis provides crucial insights into the health and potential future performance of companies, making it an essential tool for many traders and investors. Having a fundamental backdrop helps options traders understand which indexes, sectors, and ETFs to focus on, predict price movements, especially surrounding earnings season, and by providing a regular volatility event that equals movement in the options market that traders can take advantage of. Adding fundamental analysis to your options trading game plan can only further enhance your edge. At its core, fundamental analysis seeks to determine a company's intrinsic value by examining various financial and economic factors, including earnings, revenue, industry trends, and the overall economic environment. By understanding this intrinsic value and comparing it to the current market price, traders can identify overvalued or undervalued stocks. The big picture that fundamental analysis gives us is one thing. Entries and exits in the options market are another. So, how can options traders use fundamental analysis to make trades? This is best done around earnings season. Why earnings season? Traders should care about earnings season due to the opportunity it provides, in addition to price movement, economic health insight, sector performance, and company health. Price movement is important because earnings reports can cause large price swings in both directions. The economic health insight is important because collectively, earnings reports give a snapshot of the health of the economy. It's important for sector performance because earnings can allow traders to gauge which sectors are outperforming or underperforming. And it's especially important for company health because earnings indicate how individual companies are performing against expectations. One of my favorite factors surrounding trading earnings season is going to be the earnings volatility. Options prices are significantly influenced by implied volatility. Leading up to earnings, implied volatility tends to increase due to the uncertainty surrounding how a stock will move post announcement. By understanding the potential outcomes of an earnings report through fundamental analysis, options traders can better anticipate volatility and adjust their strategies accordingly. They can also learn to take the increase and subsequent decrease in volatility to their advantage. While technical analysis offers valuable insights into stock price movement based on historical data, fundamental analysis provides the why behind these movements. It also provides the big picture backdrop. When options traders understand both the how and the why, they're better equipped to make informed decisions, reducing risk and maximizing potential gains. While options trading often involves short term price movement predictions, a deeper understanding of the underlying fundamentals can provide traders with a more comprehensive view of the market landscape. By appreciating the importance of earnings season, integrating fundamental analysis into their approach, and identifying earnings season trading opportunities, options traders can elevate their trading strategies and outcomes. In the next section, we're going to be talking about understanding earnings. Throughout this series, we're also going to discuss specifically where options traders will find opportunity to place trades. The fundamental backdrop is important, and understanding how earnings work, how you can identify them, and which earnings reports you should trade is also critical. Putting all of this together gives options traders an opportunity to be involved in the stock market using a combination of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and then, of course, their options expertise. I look forward to seeing you throughout this video series. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, if you love this video and want to take your trading to the next level, come join us in the Mastering the Trade room. This is where I focus on low risk, high reward strategies along with the rest of our trading team. You're going to find live charts, live analysis, and live trades, always made with real money. Click on the link in the description to join our community and learn more today.